how to disable chats from people you don't follow on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you want to stop receiving messages from people you don't follow on TikTok? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it. Open up a TikTok app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, go to the three lines in the top right, and then head over to Settings and Privacy. Now, there under Account, tap on Privacy, and then scroll down under Interactions, tap on Direct Messages. There, tap on Permission Settings. Now, potential connections means your followers, and others on TikTok means that you don't follow, so you can tap on it, and then just tap on Don't Receive. So, this is how you disable people you don't follow from sending you messages. Their messages will be sent as message requests, and you can choose whether to view it or not. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.